stylists, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I make my DIY rice water for hair and glowing skin. Yes, I'm going to leave the benefits of rice water down in the description box down below. So right now let's go parboil our rice for like 5 minutes or more, then I'll be back. First, wash the rice a little bit, not too much so you don't lose the essential ingredients in it before parboiling it. Oh, this is my rice water. After it has cooled down, I'm just going to put it in a bowl like this. Okay, that is it. And this can be stored for up to 5 days to 1 week in your freezer and reused. Yes, this particular rice water can be used for hair growth and for glowing and younger looking skin. I'm going to show you the second method, how you can do this rice water too, the fermented type without parboiling the rice. Okay, this is the second method. This is the rice. Just soak it in sufficient amount of water and leave it overnight to ferment. That is 24 hours. After then, you just drain out the water and use it the same way you use the parboiled one. I'm just going to show you a brief tip of how to use the rice water for your hair. It can be used as deep conditioning. So this is my rice water for hair use. I use it as deep conditioner. Just apply. Yes, I put it on my spray bottle. Just apply on your hair to condition your hair. Just like this. I'm just giving you guys examples. I use it for deep conditioning. It really helps with hair growth and it kills dandruff. I'm going to list the benefits down in my description box below. As for the rice water, when applying it on your face, make sure to clean your face with a wet wipe or wash with water first. Then apply it. It's just like a mask and leave it on for like 15 minutes before washing up. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.